Hello everyone, I am Krista Cooper, Cohesive Consulting, and I actually wanted to make it very simple for you all to work Dubsado where I have to spend hours creating your graphics and design. So I created a bundle kit to sell to each area that I saw that was needed and actually most recommended to create bundles for you all so you can work off of to implement your Dubsado. So it's completely customizable. It won't take you no more than 30 minutes to make them customizable to your business and specifications to download into your Dubsado account. And I'm going to be showing you today how to do so. So I share my screen and walk you through the process. So what you'll be doing is once you actually purchase the bundle, as you have done, you will have access to an ebook. If you bought the Dubsado templates for consultants, this is what your ebook will look like. So in the ebook, you'll just scroll down. The second page, the first page after the cover sheet will give you the logistics of how the whole framework looks, the whole graphics, okay? And then how to access your Canva templates. You have direct instructions here. And if you just scroll down, you can view your live demo here and play with it and see what it looks like. So I just click there just to show you all the logistics of it and take you to the link. And it shows you, if you put it all in together in one form, what it can possibly look like. Okay. So we go over the welcome, of course, who are you, about you section, why someone should work with you, the graphic, your reason here, your packages, package name and detail, then you'll put the cost there, of course, in graphic, package name, detail, cost, and graphic, name, detail, cost, and graphic. That's for 3 packages if you like. Then you have optional add-ons, okay? Here, your client testimonials, where you can put pictures there, information, just a little graphic there from Canva, of course. Then if you like, you can select, put their information where they type this in, because you have to have the box. If you're doing like a proposal or a lead intake form, you have to take their customer's contact information, right? Or your customer's contact information will be inserted here. And then some possible next steps. As you know, that once people begin working with you, they want to know what happens next. Are they receiving an email? Are they receiving a phone call? Or what the case may be. You'll put that here in the steps. And then a footer, you just thank them for selecting to work with you. And so this shows you the live demo. You can play with this if you like. You have access to that. And we're going to go back to the Canva. Okay. I also give you your fonts that was used for this package. Okay. And the color codes. So once you create your forms in Dubsado, you'll know if you have verbiage or words you want to make that matches the background of the templates. You can actually use the codes here to make your text the same color as well. Okay, so you just click here, like it says, to get a copy of that. So if you want to use the email signature that you'll actually use inside of Dubsado and insert, you'll just click there. Once you click there, it'll redirect you directly to where you will edit that and make it yours. Okay, so then you'll use the template and customize it to however you see that needs to be done. So you can add your logo here. I'm going to go to my uploads. And so let's say this is my logo. It's not, but we'll use that as an example, right? So I just make that smaller, delete that, line it up, okay? Type over my full name. Okay. My title. Okay, email, phone number, and website. And bam, that is actually done, how you customize it. If you want to edit the picture, right? you just drop and drag. So again, let me choose another picture. I select the picture. I hover over it. You see the outline square? That means that I can move it and insert it where I need to, or to go back to my picture. And now you have your email signature. If you want to change the colors to yours, you can do that as well. So if you choose the color here and choose that color, I can easily select the color here. That's from my brand kit, and change all the colors that were originally that green color to more of a gradient, my brand color. Okay, so that's how you do that. Same thing applies if I want to use and change the color. You have access to that. So everything is customizable to be branded in your unique brand, and change the colors if you like to do that. So I would highly suggest that you upload your brand kit fonts and colors if you have not done so yet. Voila, easy. That took less than 2 minutes just to do that. So that's what you would do in each session. That's actually what you would do. You would click here, customize it, make it yours. So then once you've done that, I'll show you how to put inside of Dubsado. I want to save that, right? PNG, high quality, make that 3. Download it. This lets you know the progress of the download. Okay, it is complete now. Then I will go into my Dubsado form that I want to actually edit it, or drop it in rather. So I've already have a picture here. I'm going to select that picture. I'll scroll down to the bottom, okay, where I select the image file. Of course, my drive will pop up. And once you hit upload, if you have multiples, you can upload all. You'll see the progress bar here. And then once the picture is actually uploaded into your like data right here, your gallery, you'll select the picture you want to go up top as like the header. So I'm just using it as an example, for you can see how to actually do this. Okay. So that is that. It's just as easy. If you don't have one form that you're using that already has a picture there and you want to replace, you just drag images here. Drag it from the right side to your form. Okay. And you'll do the same steps that I've just previously done, which is drag or select, right? Let it upload. Once it uploads, close, and then select this. So let me choose one more. I want to select. Now upload. I want to select another one too. Upload, so you can see how multiples work. Okay. And I wanted to go there. So here, this is my welcome header. And then I have a footer at the bottom. I've already put my footer in here. I just did that. So it's at the top now instead of the bottom. And bam. And that is what it looks like. So it's easy as 1, 2, 3. And that's how you will actually customize and edit the Canva templates to insert into your documents, your forms on Dubsado, your email signature. I'm just going to save and close. Being that we'll go to canned emails for your email signature, right? Hit signature, and that is mine. Now instead, I can replace that and put it here. So let's say that I want to replace my footer. So I can hit replace. It asks me what picture I want, and I put the picture that I just did in the Canva, which was this here. So Same process. And in your book, in your bundle, you have quite a few templates that you have access to. Okay. Of course, your fonts and graphics and colors, as I mentioned. Your email signature that goes on emails, your canned emails. Your header and footer that'll go at the top and the bottom of your forms. Okay. Your email header that will go on the top of canned emails. Your portal banner, which is your client portal, which is in settings in Dubsado. If you go to your settings in Dubsado and your client portal, you will actually have to make yourself a sample project using your name and your email so you can log into it to see what it looks like on the other side. So in settings, I'm just going to show you that as a bonus because I'm feeling great today, which is the gear button in settings. Okay. If you go to portal, which is third one down, this is where you will upload the portal banner, the portal mobile device banner, and of course your logo. So in the bundle kit, you have the portal banner desktop, and this is mobile and this is desktop. And you'll see the difference there. Banner, mobile, desktop, mobile device banner. So you'll want to make sure you got the right one. And then section banners, if you want to put those in between sections inside of your forms as well. And as a bonus, you have this Dubsado image size guide. So it tells you what sizes should your forms, your graphics not exceed, right? So for header and footer, and we made it these size. Email header, your portal banner mobile, portal banner desktop, section banner, email signature. These are the correct sizes that are needed. Okay, and you will have this tutorial inside of this ebook. If you click here, you will see the video inserted here. And of course, and if you need additional help, feel free to reach out, because as a business consultant and strategist, what I primarily do for entrepreneurs such as yourself is I actually help build up their Dubsado. So it's robust, it's beautiful, it's automated, the workflows are seamless, and you don't have to worry about it. But if you want to create your graphics like you purchased this below, go ahead and knock yourself out. But if you need additional help, feel free to reach out. Click here to book a discovery call with me so we can assess your needs. And if you want to join my program, where I work with a collective community group of entrepreneurs, and I do group coaching to walk you through Dubsado setup for 16 weeks, which is phenomenal. You learn A through Z. You learn how to use Zapier to connect Dubsado with additional apps. You learn how to create workflows, create your welcome package, how to onboard, nurture, and offboard clients. We teach all of that in a 16-week cohort, and it rolls around every year about four times a year, and I offer that. So sign up here to see the next available date for you can get in the group cohort and actually access a better Dubsado account that's automated that you can duplicate, you can learn to do for others, make money on it, add to your revenue that you're already making now, and just live an enjoyable life of freedom and just access. Okay, that's what it's about. Again, thank you for making this purchase. I am Crystal with the C of Cohesive Consulting. It's been quite a pleasure. Enjoy your Dubsado templates.